This is the top 5 ways you can actually make money as a Nigerian student. This is something I have tried before. I am still doing it currently. I'm still a student, and I'm going to be giving you ways you can actually make money as a student without you investing any money. All of this business you can actually start with zero naira. Now let's get started. I'm going to the first of my educational consultants. This is one of the things I'm currently doing. I'm still a student, as I've said earlier. You don't need any capital, and if you want to invest in it, you can actually invest with as low as 10,000 naira, and that is if you want to invest in it. You are just going to be tutoring Jamba students. These are the list of services you can render on the screen, and you can also sell out past questions to them affordable at affordable prices. If you don't know how you can actually get past questions of different schools, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be dropping the link in the comment section for you if you need it. And then the second on my list is digital marketing. Digital marketing, you can actually start with zero. You can source knowledge online. For instance, on YouTube, source knowledge online. You can register for free on Stakeholds or Seller.com. This is what I do. I buy copyright free courses, and you can actually resell without you paying any dime to anybody. So if you don't have that money to buy a copyright free courses, you can just go on stakeholder.com or seller.com to register and start promoting other people's products. Actually, digital marketing is not something that is easy, and you won't make money instantly when you start. Okay. The third on my list is freelancing. You can become a video editor, you can become anything, but freelancing when it comes to video editing, flyers for students who are sending something, or you edit videos, you create video for them, edit photos and all of that. This is something that is selling. You can actually make money from it as a student in Nigeria. You can start video editing. You can actually learn video editing on YouTube. There is free platform out there that can actually teach you how you can become a pro editor. And if you don't want to go through the stress of outsourcing knowledge, you can actually go and buy a course on Seller or stakeholders on video editing to just get the prior knowledge that you need to start as a video editor. You can actually start with zero naira. That is you sourcing knowledge online. Okay, at least is ghostwriting. So if you are this person that loves to write story, you want to share your stories, like you are looking for a platform that you can actually share your story to, this platform right there, this platform on the screen can actually pay you from $100 to $300 to write story. You can actually try it out. But if you feel like you need this thing that you don't even know anything about it, but you want to give it a try, then you need a course. You need to buy a course. I'm going to be dropping the link to the course in the description box. If you want to buy the ghostwriting course, you can actually make up to $300 in a month writing story. Okay, but these are the list of the websites that you can actually write stories. You can check them out. That is experienced with this thing that's going to guide you on how you can actually start this thing and get contract fast, then I would advise you to get this course in the description box. Okay, the fifth on my list is social media managing. This is something I have done, I am still doing, and I'm still going to be doing because it's so sweet and it's flexible. You don't need a lot of money to start this one. You can actually access knowledge on social media managing as well. But mind you, you need to put in more practice. You need to practice it before you can, okay, this is what I'm good at. This is what I know how to do best. This is where I'm lacking. This is where I'm good at. Did you know? Do you get what I'm trying to say? So you know which area to put in more efforts or which area to search for more knowledge to improve yourself when it comes to social media managing. Social media managing, you can start from zero naira to 20,000 naira. That's 20,000 naira you're going to be getting the course. That's if you don't want to outsource knowledge online. Okay, they're actually free. What's it called? Free course on social media managing on Google. Google actually have a free course on social media managing. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box for you to get access to that as well. Okay, so that is all about. So these are the top 5 ways that I know I have tried out that is going to make you money as a Nigerian student. If you know any other way, you can always drop them in the comment section for other students as well. See you in the next one, and bye. Do take care of yourself.